What's your name?
Cade.
Cade.
And I'm gonna unbox some skateboards.
Some tech decks.
Yeah.
All right. So what do we have here?
We have
Hold on, let's put it over here so they can see it. Here, we'll put it in the middle of this.
we
Show
have
them the ones you got.
lightning and tiger and camera.
Hold on. What's special about the tiger? Actually, he's a lion.
Yeah, and he's a lion, and he's a king. Yeah.
What? Isn't there something special about him though?
Yeah, look on the back, guys.
All right, let's
He's
see.
a mystery.
A mystery. So what does that mean he is?
Ultra rare.
Ultra rare. So we got an ultra rare in this box.
Yeah.
So let's open it up here. Go ahead. Here, I'll let you do it. Open it up.
Take that off.
It's kind of put it on here, huh?
Yeah.
There we go. All right. Put
Here's
it
the
back.
skateboard. Okay, can you do skateboard out?
Yeah. Here you go. Ready? You want to do one at a time?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm gonna do lightning.
Lightning. All right. So what do we got here? Hold on. So these are just the decks. These are called decks.
Yeah.
So you can get different decks.
And you
Pop
can
on
build
your
them
deck.
also, guys.
You can build these yourself.
Yeah, and I have one that's lighting up.
They come with tools. Look, and this one's already built too, so you can play while you're building. Look. You can play that one while you're building. Alright, so what do we got here? So we have all of our decks out here.
Yeah, all of our decks.
Alright, and then we it came with okay.
I
It
know.
came with gold trucks.
Yeah, that's one of the ultra rare ones.
Oh, we're gonna put them on this one.
Yeah, ultra rare.
Okay. So let's take these out first. We're gonna do our trucks first. Does it already have grip tape? It does. Let's do these first. So we take these out.
Let's do the tracks and then we're gonna do the wheels, right?
Yeah, we'll do the trucks first and then the wheels. Okay, so there's your trucks.
Yeah.
We're gonna go like that.
From the fair.
So just like that. Alright, so we got screws in here somewhere. Oh my goodness, these are tiny.
I
I
know.
hope we don't lose these. We're gonna have to find a little
They're,
stuff.
they're gold to this one.
Yeah,
They're gold to this one.
they have special gold ones for that one. This is crazy, kid. You got ultra rare. The entire box is ultra rare. Okay. What do we got? Screws.
Nom, nom, nom.
There's one.
Okay.
So tiny. Oh my gosh.
They are so tiny.
Guys, just be careful, right, Cade?
Yeah.
Just be really careful because these will just go all over the place. We're looking here. We're trying to work here.
No one can see
Oh,
your face.
my God.
All right, look. Here you go, Cade. There's all of the nuts that go on the bottom,
They're so tiny.
and they are very tiny.
Guys, be careful because you can lose these.
They'll be very easy to lose, yes. Okay, here's your T-handle.
They're so tiny that you can see them.
You can't even see them? That would be really easy to get lost, wouldn't it? Okay.
You look how tiny they are.
All right, look. So what you do, here, show them, Cade. So hold up the deck. Here, I'll hold the deck so everybody can see it. And so you'll have to have somebody probably hold something for you here. Probably the truck onto the deck or
And you need
the
this.
screw on here. Yep, you gotta have your T-handle.
Yeah. And Dad, did you put this on?
Look, this is the screw. Okay, look, you got a black screw right here and a gold nut right here. The gold nut is going to go on the bottom of the truck, and the black screw is going to go through the top of the board. Okay?
Okay.
So let's do that. Here, I don't know. My fingers are too big for this. Can you do it? You guys might need some little fingers to do this.
Yeah.
Hold on, look. So grab this nut,
Yeah.
and that you can just use your fingers. Hold on, look here, buddy. You can just put that one right through the hole there, just with your fingers. So we'll do that first. See, I would have more time with this. There you go. Okay, now pick up the deck. This is going to be the hard part.
Well, I can do it.
Okay, go ahead and screw that in there a little bit so it stays. Are you getting it?
I don't know.
You gotta kind of push down a little bit. Oh, look, you got it. All right, perfect. He got it. All right, perfect, Cade. So let's do them all like that. So then we can just lay the trucks on top and then bolt them on. What do you think?
Good.
All right, so let's put all the bolts in there like that. So, no, those are the nuts. Those stay down here. Oh, here they are. All right, guys, so now we're just gonna, this seems to be the easiest way. We're just gonna take all these screws out of here, and then we're just gonna lay them inside of the deck on top. And they seem to hold in there pretty well.
Yeah.
Okay?
But
So here we go. So look,
screw 'em, guys.
I don't think you have to screw them. You just pushed it last time.
Yeah, I know.
But you have smaller fingers than I do. That is a tough one. You might need to use a tool on that one.
Yeah.
Some of these are a little tough. I would say you just give it a little screw. Yep, there you go. So here's what we're doing here. We're just laying these screws inside of the deck there. It's where the tops are kind of sticking out a little bit. Uh-oh. Where'd my partner go?
My dad had a beard. What?
Nothing. All right. Grab a.
I said to the guy you have a beard.
I can't believe you told him that. I can't believe that you would tell him that. All right, let's get these back in here.
You have a beard.
You silly goose. All right, are we building this or what?
Yes, we are.
All right, here. Or am I building it? Here we go. All right. One more to do here.
Daddy, look at me under my chair.
Are you sliding under or
Look.
falling?
Look.
Let's see what's going on. Oh, well that looks comfortable.
Here.
All right. Oh!
What?
I just dropped a screw.
Oh my god.
Hold on one second, guys. We have a major issue here.
Oh.
Oh! I found it.
Yes.
No, just kidding. That's not it.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. What am I gonna do here, buddy?
I don't know.
That's a very important screw. All right, come on. We're just gonna have to call it lost, because that is a tiny little black, never to be seen again.
Aww. Is that it? That's it.
No, that's not.
Is it?
All right, come on. Ow! All right, come on.
Aww.
It's okay, we got a bunch of other ones.
Yeah. Oh,
Sorry guys, we can't find the screw. We might need to pick up one of those at the store.
my dad has a passy. What?
All right, we got the last one in here. Come here, Kate. I'm gonna need your help for this part.
I told him you have a passy.
A passy?
Yeah.
Who really has a
You.
passy? All right, here we go. So what we're doing here, look, buddy. What we're doing here, we're putting the truck on the deck now. We got all the screws on here. So it looks like these like screw right in here. I'm assuming. And that's what seems to be happening. So these trucks have little threads in them. Yes, they do. So they should just stay on like this. I don't know why we have the nuts. Oh, you know what? These are for the wheels.
Yep.
Oh, we're learning here. Okay. What color? Hey, you have a big decision here. Look at me. What color wheels do you want to put on the ultra rare lion board? With great
I
trucks?
like green. No, actually
why don't we do this? Why don't we get the trucks on here, and then we'll hold up some different color wheels on it and see which one looks better. That work? All right, I'm having an issue here. These aren't screwing in. All right, so notice the tool that comes with these tech decks, not good. I'm gonna go get another tool. You think you can start on this?
Do it.
I'm gonna go get a better tool.
How am I gonna do that?
Here we go. These are really tight in here.
These screws are really small. Ah, took me in the heat.
Alrighty. It seems to be working.
I think I
Oh, one thing. When you put your trucks on, you always make sure, look, your bushings. These are bushings. See the little white things in there? Those bushings have to go towards the inside of the board. So if you put them on, you're gonna do them like that.
Guys,
Otherwise, it won't turn.
I'm just gonna go get a drink.
Okay.
And guys, when I was a baby, did you see that YouTube channel I was running? And it was called Mancade.
You have to check that one out. It's called Cademan. All right. Cade, we got our first truck on. 20 minutes later.
And that
I'm
was
starting on this one.
when I was a baby, guys. Right, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
Got a drink?
Okay.
Want a drink?
No, I'm okay.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Cade, this is very raw.
Did you know, guys, I'm 4?
4. And I'm 14.
What?
And I'm 14.
Yep. And Sissy's 13.
Sissy's 13.
She was 12 and I was 15.
Alright, let's see here. Bud. Alright. I would suggest getting a tool like this with a small head because that little T-handle would never have done this. The one that comes with the tech decks. Okay, look, you got some stickers in there too. You want to put one of those on here?
Stickers.
They're right here. So it looks like this thing came with some stickers.
Wait.
Pretty cool. Alright, what else? Oh, there's some more. Tech deck stickers. Okay.
I'm gonna do the line one.
Alright, look. We gotta decide, make your decision on your wheels. What color wheels are you doing?
I'm gonna
I like the,
do orange.
I like the purple.
Orange.
I like purple.
Orange.
Alright, orange wheels.
It matches.
These are stuck in here.
This suit is way too powerful. If people see me outside fighting like this,
Alright, orange wheels. Alright guys, so these just slide on the sides.
just give me a little upgrade.
Like so. Look, Cade, and then now we get to use our golden nuts here. Uh-oh. Drop the wheel.
I can get it.
How's that look, guys? What do you think with the orange? I think it looks pretty cool.
I can get it.
You find it? I'll start on these while you're looking for that. sure most of you guys that are doing this are going to have smaller fingers. Probably be a lot easier. There we go.
It's so big that I can't even see it.
Alright, wheels are spinning. Come on, Kate, you find that one yet? Here. Okay, I found it.
Oh, how did you know that? You are a good seer. I'm blind.
You're not blind. What are you talking about, boy?
This is my dad's passy.
Oh, yeah?
Yep. Here, Daddy.
Okay, thanks, buddy. I really appreciate that.
Yeah.
I gotta have my fashy.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
Is that too much?
Yeah. Yay!
Ooh.
Oh,
What?
Alright, so we got one left here, and then I am done with these tiny little things. Okay, you showing all the girls on YouTube your passing?
No, there's not girls.
There's no girls on there?
No.
Alright, if there's any girls on here right now, message Cade and tell me you're a girl on here watching him.
No.
They're gonna message you.
No.
They will. I can tell you that they liked your passing. Alright. We got our wheels on. Our tech deck is done. Look. Ready for a kickflip? Oh! Alright, look, you got some stickers too. You want to put these on her?
That's awesome. It's just that purple.
No, I won't go on there. You have to do it on the bottom. You know how I used to do on my skateboard? Yeah, just like that, kind of sideways. Look, you can make it look really cool. Oh, we got the line facing that way. So what I do is do it like this. This is really cool, guys. So you can do, like if you want to do a sticker on a board, if you run it off the edge like that, and then you kind of just press down really good, and then get your parents to get a knife. I'll show you. All right, this is definitely with parental supervision, but if you take it like that and you hang it off the edge, you can actually take a knife and just like kind of chop
God,
it.
you can put this on your juice box if it's allowed.
Okay, like that. There, look how cool that is.
Guys, you can
Super
put
cool.
Guys, you can put this
That's
on
custom.
your drink.
On your drinks, yeah. Alright, so we're done with that one. I don't think I'm going to build any more of these today because it just took so long. So we got two completed decks here, an ultra rare finesse lion, and I'm not sure what this one is, but purple dude. So we got two built. Next time we jump on, I'm sure we'll show you all the other ones built up. Kate, I'm sure we'll have different color wheels for all of them. You know what we can do next time? We can use different color wheels on a board. We can do a purple, green, yellow, and blue wheel on this one. That would be cool. All right, we're wrapping up here. We're wrapping up. See you guys. Want to say bye?
Bye, guys.